This is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. We'll demonstrate this is the new Walther's Proto nickel plate road GP-9 that they came out with. They have two numbers on them, 472, and I believe the other one's 476. Anyway, this is a real nice unit. A lot of improvements over the old Proto 2000 engines. For one thing, the trucks are the newer style with helical gears, not the old style trucks that were similar to Athens and always had problems with the gears cracking. These are nice and smooth and quiet even without sound on them. Other features was they incorporated the Mars light on the front of this one, so it's road specific. Also, it's got spark arresters over the exhaust stacks, correct horn placement, sunshades, MU stands on them, MU hoses. Anyway, it's a real nice unit, and I ordered one with LokSound factory in it, but I still ended up having to tweak the Mars lights a little bit to get them to work properly. And let's see, Mars is on 5, and the other nice improvement is the number boards are on F6. They're independent, so you can turn these functions on with the different keys. And of course, LokSound, to turn the sound on, you have to hit F8, because normally the sound, F8 is off. That's default. So then when you press the F8 key, then it turns the sound on, the prime mover. And of course, I didn't like the delayed startup with the prime mover. I took that out. And also I put mine on my Lok programmer, and I took out the drive hold. I don't care for that feature either. And the problem with that is if you're running another locomotive that doesn't have a LokSound decoder in it, say like Soundtracks or TCS Wow, and somebody accidentally hits F9 on your controller, well, they're going to put that in drive hold, and if it's stopped, it won't move. The other unit will push or pull it. Or if it's moving, and then you try to stop the train, that one's still trying to go, and the other one's stopping. So it's like, to me, I don't like that feature, but if some people do, well, that's their decision, but I removed that out of this. And so far I'm real pleased with it. Big improvement over the old Proto units. Oh, we'll pull it back into the yard. And that's it for this short video. Like I said, they've really improved these units a lot, and I'm quite pleased with it, and kind of give you a little more up-close view of it. Let's put the curtain forward. Now we got the Mars and the headlight. There's the exhaust smokestack arresters on there, spark arresters. Got all the grab irons. They even put the number on the drop steps like it's supposed to be. And let's see, that's on the engineer's side, but they did put the speed recorder on there on the truck. So most of the detailing work is all done for you. And the only thing I did was I programmed that Mars light so it looks a little better. Kind of like the Bowser RS3. It didn't seem to flash fast enough or look like it was really rotating, where now it does. Anyway, that's all for this. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.